welcome all my new subscribers. Hi, how are you? Lovely to meet you. Thank you for dropping by and hitting that subscribe button. I absolutely appreciate everybody, all of you who subscribe to my channel, who come every time I upload a video. I absolutely appreciate you. So don't think that it goes unnoticed when you comment, when you like, when you've subscribed. It absolutely means the world to me, guys. So don't think that it doesn't go unnoticed, because it does. And I want to thank you so much, because without you guys, my channel wouldn't be, you know, I mean, it's not amazing, but it is amazing to me. And whoever watches, thank you so much. And if you click like and subscribe and all that jazz and hit the notification bell, we are friends. Don't even ask me about the hair this morning, guys. I washed my hair last night. My hairdryer decided it's gonna blow up. Not even a joke. I was blow drying my hair. It sounded weird, so I kind of looked at it. Glad I did, because this flame come out. It's in the bin. Moral of the story is I need to buy myself a new hairdryer. The nails are going Thursday, so today is Monday. The nails are gonna get sorted on Thursday, guys. Just gonna jump straight into it. Look a mess, so we need to do something with this face. My lips are dry as hell because October is now here. Well, the weather is anyway. We've still got a week before it's October, but the weather's definitely changed. So this is the Lano Lips 101 ointment, multi-balm hair lip balm. So I'm just gonna put that on. Super moisturising. I picked this up from Boots, I think. So all the products and everything, I will list them down below. If I forget, tell me off in the comments, because I have a really bad habit of forgetting to put them down in the description. I'm gonna start off with my brows, and I'm gonna be using this Rockings Cosmetic brow pencil. It's got hairs all over it. Use the Rockings Cosmetic Just Browsing Define and Brow Duo. I think I got this in an Angora box. I'm sure it was an Angora box that I got this in. So I am going to be using quite a few products that I've got in Angora lately. Some products that I've just been using quite regularly that I haven't probably shown on camera yet. Also, I'm going to be using quite a bit of what I got in the Danny DeFreitas mystery bags. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link them up there and down there. I am absolutely loving autumn at the minute. I literally was walking to work the other day. I'm getting ready to go to work today as well. I was walking to work the other day and I put on my story walking through leaves and the leaves all changing colour. It was just so beautiful. I'll put it on screen if I've still got it, but oh my god, it was just so nice. Proper like autumn morning. Products. I have been using this off camera and I've fallen in love with it. It's the Got To Be brow gel. You can use it for your hair, for your flyaways, you can use it for your brows. I absolutely love it, and it's replaced my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I still use that, but as a cheap alternative, I think this was less than a tenner, guys. My 24-hour brow setter is like £22. It's a lot for a brow setter. So I'm going to go in with the Benefit Boing Concealer, conceal my eyes and carve out the brows. Now, have I washed my brushes like I said I was going to do? No, I haven't. I really need to. So when I'm off on Thursday and Friday, that job is definitely going to be done. And yes, that spot's still there. I don't want to talk about it. He's decided he's going to stay there for a while, so I'm just going to let him chill until he decides to bugger off, or I'm going to start charging rent. What are your plans, guys, for like October and stuff? I've told my nieces that I'm going to take them to a pumpkin patch. I think there's one in Derby near there. I'm going to take them to a pumpkin patch. Some nice lovely pumpkins. And I'm not doing anything too extravagant on my eyes today, guys. Would it be one of my videos if I didn't drop shit on the floor? No, it wouldn't. I'm going to use the Belle Paris pressed powder. I think I got this in the glossy box. I think it was the glossy box. I'm going to be using that just to set that concealer. So it's in the shade Light Banana. Yeah, set that into place really well. I've got this little face palette. So this is an eyeshadow and face palette from My Me. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Gin is gorgeous. I got this in an Angora box, but I didn't show you that Angora box. I got 2 Angora boxes. I think that's where I got this from as well, actually. I purchased 2 Angora boxes. It only had 3 products in it. So I purchased 2 thinking, oh, there'll be different products in there. No, they were the same. This in there, and I got a Lano lips. Just a basic everyday palette. Bronzer, 4 eyeshadows and a highlight. I'm going to be using a new brush that I got in Danny DeFreitas. So this is the Morphe X Nate FF4. I'm going to first go into the shade Fantasy. And I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. And I'm going to take the Sigma brush. I've not used it yet, so I'm going to take the Sigma brush. I'm going to go into the shade Breeze. So these 2 are matte and these 2 are shimmer shades. I'm then going to go in with this little eyeshadow. I can't remember if... I think this was in the Danny DeFreitas. I think it was. It was either the Danny DeFreitas or the Glossy Box. I'm kind of like, can't remember. It is called Tease, the brand, and it's called To Die For eyeshadow, and it is a single eyeshadow in Glow on the Go, and this is a gorgeous shade, guys. On my finger, oh my god, look at that. Just tapping motions all over the lid, just to give it a little bit of a shimmer. Give that a little blend so it's all nice and seamless. I'm then going to take my Il Makiage eyeliner. So that's the eyes, guys. Like I said, I'm not doing anything too crazy on them today because I'm going to work. Not sure if the eyeliner matches, but it'll do. Curl my lashes with my really old curler. I really need a new one, and I need to buy myself a new hairdryer as well. So for mascara, guys, I'm going to open this one, which is the KVD Go Big or Go Home mascara. The packaging, I'm a sucker for packaging, as you guys know. This packaging is bougie AF. Are you guys seeing this? Like, what? Why have I not tried this mascara before? And it literally looks like I've just put lashes on that one and I haven't. Oh my god. You need this mascara because that is gorgeous. So guys, my face is so bloody dry right now. I need a miracle. So I'm going to be using the Face Gym Youth Reformer. So this is firming, vitamin C, niacinamide, and it's so good. I did use this off camera and my face thanked me for it. So I'm just going to put a few little droppies over my face and just rub that in. Oh my god, it feels so nice. Literally, my face felt like sandpaper, and now it feels like a baby's bum. Simply gorgeous. So the next product I'm going to be using is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. Oh, this smells luxurious. So literally, you need the tiniest of bits of this moisturiser. So this is going to last me a while, and super creamy. The YSL Pure Shot. So this is like an it's SPF of 50+. Give it a shake first. Pop her on. It's like a milky formula, and it's a weird formula because it feels like a wet formula, but it dries instantly. Oh god, that's gonna go straight in my brow. So it like dries instantly. It's got that distinctive SPF smell, which just reminds me of like holidays. Smells beautiful, and it gives you that beautiful like glow to the skin as well. It just feels really nice and hydrating on the skin as well, and my skin just feels really nice and smooth now, not like sandpaper like it just did. This is my favorite product of all time. I use it every single time I do my makeup now. So it's the Collection Glow Gorgeous or Gorgeous Glow filter finish complexion booster. I can't do my makeup now, guys, without putting this on my skin. It just gives my skin the boost it needs, guys, because I am a dry ass bitch. Oh, it's just so nice. and cheap and friendly. I think it's like £6, something like that, £6. And you've got that beautiful glow. Charlotte Tilbury dupe for the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I wouldn't know, I've just heard that it is because I've never used that product because it's expensive. That's where I got my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter foundation, which I'm going to be using today. And don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me on how crusty dusty. Look how disgusting that is. I've literally just outed myself on the internet. That is disgusting. It's because I use it every day, guys, okay? Leave me alone. Charlotte Tilbury. I did get this off Vinted. Like, it was completely brand new. Just the wrong shade for the person who bought it. So instead of paying £40-something for this foundation, I paid, I think it was 14. No, it was 11 actually. I paid £11 for it. So a winner winner. So this is the Be Perfect Chroma cover. This one's too dark for me. The Charlotte Tilbury one is a tad too light. Not loads, not too much, but just a tad. So I'm just taking a few splodges of the Chroma cover because this one oxidizes like nothing else, but it's such a good foundation. I'm definitely going to be purchasing it in my correct shade. But yeah, these two work so well together and I've been using it virtually every single day. But yeah, the Charlotte Tilbury one is just a tad bit light for me, and the Chroma cover is quite dark because it oxidizes. So if you do get the Chroma cover, I would suggest like getting it probably 2 shades lighter than your natural shade because it does oxidize, but it's a gorgeous foundation. That is the foundation. It looks lovely on the skin. It's not cakey. It's perfect and I love it. So I'm going to go in with some blush. So I'm going to use the Dewy Blush. Packaging is to die for. I absolutely bloody love this packaging. You only need a little bit. I have used this off camera. You do need the tiniest bit. I mean, that's so intimidating. And then I just use my finger and just tap it at the back of my hand and then just pop it on. Just using 2 fingers and using a patting motion. Can like build this up for it to look more intense, but like I say, just because I'm going to work, I'm not looking for that intensity. I'm just looking for that little flush of colour. Just going to set everything in place with the Belparis pressed banana light powder. Yet, but it's a new one from Beauty Bay. It's their bronze, blush and glow palette, the face palette. And I don't know if I've actually shown you guys this one on camera yet, but I'm loving it. Absolutely love it. So you've got highlight, 2 blushes and a bronzer. So I'm going to be using that. To be honest, I'm going to be using mostly the bronzer and the blush. I can't even get my words out today. Bronzer. We're going to go for bronzer first. I'm just going to dip in the bronzer with a big fluffy brush and just bronze up the cheeks. I then like to go over it with my sponge just to blend it a little bit more. I'm then going to go into Peach, which is this peachy blush. So the bronzer is called Hazelnut and this is the light palette. Yeah, this is the lighter one out of it. I think there's 3, I'm not sure, there might be 2 or 3. But I'm using the lightest one because your girl's lighter than Casper the Friendly Ghost over here. Again, I'll go in with my sponge and just blend that so it looks more seamless. If I am going a little bit quick in this video, it is because I am. Because obviously I am getting ready for work as well, guys. So I will do my hair off camera. If you would like to see a full in-depth from washing it, all the products I use in it, to straightening it and whatever, once I get a hairdryer, might I add, just leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. If I get 10 thumbs up for this video, then I will show you my hair care routine. I know quite a lot of people do ask if it's my natural hair. Yes, it's all my own natural hair. I don't have any extensions or anything like that. So if you would like an in-depth hair care routine from start to finish, then let me know. Give me 10 thumbs up and I will sort that video out for you guys if you're interested. So I'm going to set that all in place and I'm going to use the Beauty Bay. I love Beauty Bay products. They're my favourite products. If you want to see like a full face of, oh my god, I just spat everywhere then because I'm getting so excited. If you guys would like to see a full face of Beauty Bay products, then let me know. Comment in the comments below. Picked this up from Skegness when we was there. And I just thought it'd help dry my setting spray quicker. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. lip liner. This one is in soft pink. I like the way this lip liner is shaped. It's like curved so that it gives you that perfect contour of your lips, and I'm just living for that. Yeah, I love this. It's really soft. It's the shape of it is easier to contour your lips out. So yeah, I'm a big fan of that one, guys. I'm gonna use a deck of Scarlet. So this is the deck of Scarlet 3-way solid lip oil in the shade Rouge Supreme. I can't even say that. Rouge Supreme. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. That was my alarm for my making sure I'm getting ready for work. So this is in a nice, like, hot burgundy colour. Oh, look at that shade. It glides on so effortlessly. Like that. So the last thing I'm going to put on is some highlight. So I'm going to use this one. I think this is new from Sigma. I think they've got the highlights, their bronzers and their blushes, I believe. So this one is in Golden Hour and it's just gorgeous. So I need my little fan brush. Where's my fan brush? Where the bloody hell's my fan brush? I've got my fan brush. So I just take a little bit, so nice and subtle. It's not an in-your-face highlight, but it's lovely and subtle. Like that, just on the inner corner and then along my brow bone as well. So guys, this is my everyday makeup routine, using all the new products that I've just like purchased recently. So yeah, this is it, guys. What do you think? It's so nice. I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Love you always. Bye.